Hello, I'm back with another video. In this video, I'm gonna guide you how to fix Gumtree app not working. Now to fix this problem, firstly you can do is to clear all data of the app and try to open up the app. Now to do so, head over to the settings panel and there tap on apps and again tap on manage apps. Now search for Gumtree app. Now tap on clear data option and tap on clear all data. After you're done with it, try to open up the app. Now if this solution didn't work, then we need to head over to the next solution. Now for the second solution, tap on Play Store and there search for Gumtree. Now make sure you're running latest version of it. If you can see update button, then tap on it and get latest version of it. Now if you have updated the app, then check if this solution solves your problem or not. If it doesn't, then the last solution is to remove the app from your device and then again reinstall the app. It will clear all the glitch or bugs in the app and refresh your app. Now to remove the app, tap and hold the app and there tap on remove option. Now after removing the app, head over to the Play Store and there again search for Gumtree and then tap on install button. Once your app get reinstalled to your device, it will definitely solve your problem. I hope this video helped you. If it did, then give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. That's gonna be all for this video and I will see you in the next one.